Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, I'm excited to walk you through the steps to reset the Linksys WHW0103 Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system. This process is ideal for troubleshooting network issues or when you want to start with a clean slate. Let's get right into it and begin. Before we begin, it's important to note that resetting your VLOP system will completely erase all of your settings. This includes your Wi-Fi network name, password, and any connected devices. Be prepared to set everything up again from the ground up, so ensure you're ready for this process. First, ensure that the VLOP node you intend to reset is securely plugged into a power outlet and is turned on. You can confirm it's ready for the reset process when the light indicator on top shows blue, purple, or red. Next, find the reset button located on the bottom of the VLOP node. This button is small and recessed, meaning you'll need a pin or a paper clip to press it. This ensures you can effectively initiate the reset process when ready. Using a paper clip or a similar object, press and hold down the reset button for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. During this time, you'll see the light on the VLOP node start blinking red. Once it turns solid red, you can safely release the button. Once you release the reset button, the node will automatically reboot. You'll notice the light indicator change to a solid purple color, which signals that the reset process is complete and the device is now ready for a fresh setup configuration. After the reset, your VLOP node is primed for reconfiguration. Launch the Linksys app to initiate the setup process, just as you did during the initial installation. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to seamlessly reconnect and restore your network settings. If you run into any problems or require assistance, our team of experts is ready to help you. Don't hesitate to reach out at 323-471-3045 for support and guidance. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Linksys WHW0103 Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.